Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anju Chellani and I'm back with the third part of list manipulation. So today we are going to start with the equal operator that is called assignment operator, which is used to assign value in a variable. So let's start with this. How can you modify your list with the help of this equal symbol? So as we know, we always start from the zero. So this is my zero location value, first location value, then second, and this way we can keep on working. So now if I want to make the changes in the fourth location means I'm talking about ये मेरा zero है, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is I'm talking about this 10 number. So I want to remove this 10 and instead of 10 I want to put this 20. So fourth location की value को I want to modify. So fourth location पे now if I will write this command, so इस command को लिखने के बाद you will see कि आपकी fourth location पे 10 के बदले 20 हो जाएगा. So 20 will copy at this location, and when I'm going to print the list, this is E1 is my list name, so every time I'm going to use the same list name E1. So when I will write here print E1, you will be able to see this output. All you can see on the right hand side, जो भी red color से that is your output. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and instead of 10 now you can see your output 20 is there. So means if you want you can modify your list with the help of equal sign. And now if you want to do modification with the multiple values and you want to make the changes in your list with the multiple values, for that you have to use slicing. As you can see here, E1 1:5. 1:5 means first location say till fourth location. So first, second, third and fourth means I want to make changes in the four values. So which will start from first and it will go till fourth. So four values को change करने के लिए I required four different values which I have written here inside the list. So means इस location पे ये वाली values ऐड हो जाएगी और जो प्रीवियस वैल्यू थी वो ओवरराइट हो जाएगी. सो इफ आई विल राइट हियर प्रिंट E1 277 66 55 and 44, as you can see on the top the my list was 4 6 8 and 20. Now 4 6 8 20 is not there because I have changed these values. इसकी जगह आ गया 77 66 55 and 44. 2 and 12 both are still there because I have made the changes in this particular location. So if I will print, I can see this output. Now one more changes. I want to make changes again with the help of slicing only. एक ही location को change करना है. So even 2:3. Even 2:3 means second location की वैल्यू को मुझे चेंज करना है, बट थर्ड नहीं होगा चेंज बिकॉज थर्ड में क्या है मेरे पास थर्ड हम यूज नहीं करते, कम चलता है, तो सेकेंड लोकेशन पे 100 आ जाएगा. सो 0 1 and 2, this is my second location. So second location में मेरे पास 66 था. now you can see 100 is there because I have made the changes. अब second location पे 100 आ गया. 2:3 as you can see है, मतलब second location की वैल्यू को चेंज होगा, थर्ड नहीं होगा बिकॉज वो एक कम चलता है. Now using append function, I want to add one value in my list because with the help of append function, it's an inbuilt function. With the help of this function, you can add single value in your list और वो last में add होगा हमेशा. Whenever you will use append function, you can add value at the end. So when you will write like this, E1 is my list, this is my list, and the value which I want to enter, that is 100, with the help of append function, and where I want to insert this value in my E1 list. So when I will write this command and I will print the value, you can see this is my output. 12 के बाद 100 add हो जाएगा in my list. So append is used to add single value in a list, and with the help of append you can enter or you can insert multiple values, but you have to use again and again the same command. Like you want to insert 200, then again you have to write the same command E1 dot append 200. You want to enter one more value, again you will write E1 dot append. So every time you have to use the same command, but in एक बार में you cannot enter multiple values with the help of append function. Now the thing is, now I want to enter multiple values, which is not possible with append function, but there is another function called extend. So with the help of extend, you can add multiple values in your list. So here I have given the name of the list E1, and the last value of E1 was this one. With the help of inbuilt function, that is extend, I want to add values in my E1 list. So what I have done, extend is my function name, that's why this opening and closing round bracket is there, and I want to insert multiple values, which is a part of list, so that's why I'm using square bracket. So 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7, these are my 4 values which I want to insert in my list. So when I will print this, you can see the output after 100 is showing 4 values. So means with the help of extend function, you can add multiple values in your list. Now next one, there is one more option is there. Add multiple values using single statement with the help of plus operator. So now E1 is my list name. So this is my list. Latest list is this one. So in this I want to add 22, 33 and 44. So you can see if you will write 22, 33 and 44, you can see it's coming here at the end. So with the help of this also you can add multiple values. Or if you want to write, let me copy this thing from here. Suppose instead of this, if you want to add values in the beginning. So for that, what you are going to do, you will use this E1 plus after the list. So just write here plus and then E1. So now when you will execute this command, you will see the output like this. This would be your output. You will be able to see when I am going to execute this command. I think problem. So to this 22, 33 and 44 will come in the beginning. So I think there's a problem. My system, yes. Now let me show you. I will click here and 22 comma 33 comma 44. This will not be there. Instead of this, if I will use this command, I can see this output. So if I will write here print E1, so you can use any one, right? So right now I'm taking this one for my further queries. So you can use any one. Now the next one is I'm going to use multiply operator to repeat a list for the given number of times. So if this is my list 3 comma 2 multiply 3, it means I'm going to multiply this list, or I want to see this list 3 times. So normally हम multiply करते हैं 2 into 4, so आपका आंसर multiply करके 8 आ जाता है. But in this case you are going to multiply this entire list with 3, means list will display 3 times, 3 2 3 2 and 3 2. This way the same thing can be done with the string also. Here I have written Python into 3, so it means Python will display 3 times. Or you can write number first and then later on you can write the string, then also it will work. So hello 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 will display 3 times. You can use vice versa. The next one is, now I want to insert value in between a list with the help of the location. So even this is, now let me make comment the previous values so that when I am going, because in this I am taking new list value. So let me make comment this one, and so that when I will execute, this will not give you an error. See, even 2 4 6 8 10 and 12, these are my even values because I have taken even value here, new values, that's why I make the comment. अब even के list के अंदर using insert function I want to insert 50 at second location. Where is my second location? This is my second location. So but ये override नहीं करेगा like your previous thing. 2 4 6 8 10 12 everything will be there except 6 आपका right में shift हो जाएगा और इस location पे 50 add हो जाएगा. When I'm going to print, you can see the output 2 4 आ गया. After that 50 will come at the second location and rest value will shift on the right hand side 6 8 10 and 12. So previous value will be there and you can add some more values along with their location. So this is the use of insert function. Now if I want to insert multiple values without affecting the previous value, so for that I am going to use this slicing. This is my previous value 2 4 8 6 12 and I want to, let me remove this comment here and I'm going to use this. Now if this is my value of list or elements of list, so if I will say 3 colon 3 means at third location I want to insert these three values. You don't have to specify how many values you want to insert here. You have to give only the location and then you can insert the values. So here it's showing that 3 colon 3 means you can insert three different values. So 2 4 6 is location पे now you can see three different values are there. And 8 10 12 आपका right hand side पे shift हो गया. Values कुछ भी delete नहीं हुई, overwrite नहीं हुई, everything is there, only you can insert new values. Now I want to remove some value from my list. So for that I will use a command del even3. Del even3 means third location पे जो भी value होगी वो delete हो जाएगी. So this was my previous value even list. So 2 4 6 and 66. So 66 कौन सी location पे? Third location पे. तो third location पे ये हट जाएगा और now you can see all values are there except 66 because ये third location पे था. So if you want to delete single value, you can use this method. Next one is using slicing, you can remove multiple values. So if you will use del command with the help of slicing 2 colon 4. So second location पे क्या है 0 1 2. This is your second location value and second and third location की value you can delete because it's showing 2 colon 4. So second and third location की value will be changed. Fourth location की value will not be changed because last value add नहीं होती. So this is how you can delete multiple values. So that's all for the day. So I hope you will like this video. Please keep practicing till my next video comes. So all the best.